gripping it with two hands. Back, touchdown, you know you gotta do that. Bad, bad, ooh yeah, she love it when I do it.
Easy music.
Welcome back. We are at Ulta Beauty once again, filling up. It's an addiction, you guys. So we have some new stuff coming to the channel, and we're gonna see what else we have over here. Every time I come here, we don't have anything new for Julia's place. That we don't have, except for this, and we don't have this one. I don't think they can hear you. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I have the mask on. They're playing music in here too. If we have enough, I'm gonna come back. All right, let's come over here to the brushes on. I don't even know if he's supposed to be recording here or not. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, maybe looking Alright, you guys, I think we got enough. I'm sorry we didn't start off when we first got in here, but it was kind of noisy. And this right here is some very good mascara. If you have some, I can get the smaller version. Alright, you guys, so now we're getting ready to check out. Awesome. Let's go. Ooh, oh. Alright, you gotta cut it off now. Welcome back to the channel. Please make sure that you give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel.
And hit that bell.
Right over there.
Okay, so this is my makeup now. I'm gonna wipe this off. I know the hearts are really cute and stuff.
What is that?
I just ate some cupcakes, guys.
Alright, so I've already done my eyebrows. Now I just have to apply my shadow. And today, you guys, we went and got something new, which I'm going to insert where we went to get everything and all that. So here's one of the new things that we got. As I always say, my Ulta Beauty gets things late. So I'm going to be using this Animal Crossing, what is it called? Balloon Pop. It's a single shadow, glitter shadow. All right.
And I'm gonna be using, so as you guys know, you don't know, we have the whole Bambi collection.
My head itching.
The whole Bambi collection. The lashes, they're
I've already used those.
Yeah. And then that, and then this.
Go check out that video.
And then this highlighter. We have the whole thing.
Alright, so let's jump into this video. All right, you guys. So now I'm going to be using this e.l.f. primer. It's the Poreless Face Primer. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Okay, I don't like this look off. So, should I just do swatches of the rainbow lips when you're done? Or while you're doing it?
Let's just do a separate video of it.
Yeah. I want to see for myself right now because I haven't seen the lip one on my lips. So yeah. I believe we have the whole collection. I didn't think we were gonna make it.
Thought they were gonna be all sold out. I had a bum rush in there.
This is Luxe Gloss.
I will say this primer stinks. I don't like the smell of it, but it smells so good.
Yes, the light blue and the pink feels so good in my skin. Okay, so this is the first. I'm just gonna swatch the whole process for you guys.
Oh, you're doing that in separate.
This matches with my lips. I mean, my look.
Thought you was doing that in a different video.
Alright, I'll just see for myself.
Okay, so now I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Play Zulu palette. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using this brown shade in the Zulu palette on my Real Techniques brush. Oh. Sweet Oasis brush, and I'm gonna go into this orange shade in the Zulu palette. Right above that brown shade. you guys, now for the fun part. Oh yeah, by the way, I use this NYX glitter base, primer base.
For me, the whole part in makeup is the eyeshadow.
And I'm gonna use my Morphe M321 brush.
Okay, I'm just gonna take my makeup off anyway. See the hearts? Okay, it made a heart. Oh. Maybe I should color it another color.
Guys, I am finally back. Look at this cute little blush from Colourpop, you guys. I have the pink one as well. This is called Flower Tender. I don't have my glasses on, so it's hard for me to see. It's so cute. Look at the packaging. I wish I could have got the whole collection, but by the time I got there, it was sold out. So let's apply some lip gloss to these ashy lips. Lord, have mercy. So first I'm gonna use my Morphe crayon. Poreless MCM. Okay. It's hard to see it when you first put on, but once you apply your lip gloss to it, it turns out even better. So now I'm going to use this Morphe Attention lip gloss. It is so pretty, you guys. All right. So everything that I use in this video today, I purchased from my local Ulta Beauty. All right, so now that we are done with that, we are done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm just going to set my face with the, what is it, Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. If you just give me 1 second so I can find it. Lord, my daughter done came in here moving stuff. So here we have it. You guys, if you have not already, go and purchase this. It is so beautiful. I just love it. Alright, you guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about this look. And if you are going to recreate it, please send it to me so I can see it. I would love to see it. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to our channel. We are trying to grow our channel as much as we can. Let us know that we have supporters out there. So, see you guys in the next video. Peace.